So, I really loved it. I really love women dancing on that particular song because it's one of my favorite. Thank you Sumi, Anjana and Anju. It was a beautiful one. Applauses again. Now I would like to hand over the stage to Arun for the vote of thanks.
Hope you all guys had some fun. I'm really tired. Tired since the preparation of this whole honor program. And I just thought it's the right time to say thanks to a lot of people behind this. First of all, I would like to thank you all for coming here. A big applause for all of you for supporting us and being with us. We tried to do this on a larger scale last year and it came out a good success. We got a lot of good feedback and we were really not sure how this year go, but thanks to you all for attending. Thanks again. And to start off with, I would like to thank Honorable Lena Daya and Honorable Jeff Reagan for taking their time out of their busy schedule to reach out here. Though they are not here, just give them a round of applause for them. I would like to thank the management of the school for allowing us to use this for rehearsals and for today's event. They have been really good. And also I would like to thank Liam for the sound. If he wasn't there, you wouldn't hear anything from here. So thanks to Liam as well. And then I would like to thank Dinu and his team for supporting the catering for this Onam. You're going to love the Satya. I've really heard good feedback about their food, so get ready. And last but not the least, I would like to thank the two main pillars of this cultural events, that is Saju and Anjana Rajeshwari. They really worked a lot for this. They had to spend time with different people, kind of training them, kind of getting the events and all in order. So thank you to Saju and Anjana Rajeshwari. And thank you for the wonderful MCs. Isaac, Divya and Rekha. So I think they did entertain you in between the cultural programs as well. And once again, thanks to Saju for taking care of the music over there. So if he wasn't there again, you would be seeing dances for different songs. Yeah. So thanks to Saju as well. And I would like to thank the parents of all the kids who has participated today, because the parents' effort is also equally important as the child, because it's not easy to get a 5-year-old and 6-year-old to get for practice. So thanks to them as well. And thanks to all the participants who participated today for making this cultural event a grand success. I guess you guys are all hungry right now, so I'm not taking much time. Thank you once again, and thank you for supporting CCAM.
Thank you so much, Arun. Well, when it comes to hard work, I would thank you to Arun, Ribin, Anjana and Saju a lot, and all the parents who struggle with getting their kids attires and everything for the show. Thank you everybody for coming this evening. Well, and I also want to thank, not to forget, I also want to thank the sponsors, Scotiabank, First Choice and Indian Groceries. Thank you so much. Well, I guess we have a visitor today before I close the evening. I think he's come all the way from Kerala, and he is none other than our beloved Maveli. So, huge round of applause for our Maveli. Can I take a selfie with you?
What selfie?
I can explain it to you. 1 second. That was a selfie. It's a trend these days. I would like all the parents to take their kids outside to take a selfie with Maveli, so that the food committee can organize the tables for you all to enjoy the delicious meals that is awaiting you all. And I would request you all to move towards the main corridor, and everybody would be really grateful for that. Thank you so much.